Speech transformation magic, direct to reported speech. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, converting direct speech to reported speech. This particular topic is an integral part of intermediate grammar, and it's not as tricky as you may think. By the end of this video, you'll have mastered this critical aspect of English communication. Before we start, let's clarify the difference between direct and reported speech. Direct speech refers to the exact words someone says, often enclosed in quotation marks. For example, "I am going home," John said. On the other hand, reported speech, also known as indirect speech, involves reporting what someone said without using their exact words. For instance, John said that he was going home. The primary focus here is the information conveyed, not the exact wording. One of the key elements when transforming direct speech into reported speech is the change of tenses. As a rule of thumb, when the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tenses in the reported clause usually shift back. Let's see a few examples. 1. Present simple in direct speech becomes past simple in reported speech. E.g., "I always eat breakfast," he said, to "he said that he always ate breakfast." 2. Present continuous becomes past continuous. E.g., "I am eating breakfast," he said, to "he said that he was eating breakfast." 3. Present perfect becomes past perfect. E.g., "I have eaten breakfast," he said, to "he said that he had eaten breakfast." Remember, these changes help to maintain the correct sequence of events when reporting. Now, it's not just tenses that change in reported speech. Often, expressions of time and place need to be adjusted to make sense in the context. Here are some common shifts. 1. Now becomes then. 2. Today becomes that day. 3. Yesterday becomes the day before. 4. Tomorrow becomes the next day. 5. This becomes that. 6. Here becomes there. For example, "I am here now," he said, to "he said that he was there then." Now it's time to practice. We've covered the rules, so let's put them to use. Grab a pen and paper and try converting the following sentences from direct to reported speech. 1. "I love learning English," she said. 2. "I am reading an interesting book," he said. 3. "I will visit my parents tomorrow," she said. Take your time and refer back to the rules we've just discussed. Practicing will help reinforce what you've learned. And that wraps up our lesson on converting direct speech to reported speech. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to transform direct speech into reported speech, considering tense changes and shifting time and place expressions. Keep practicing, and you'll master this essential skill in no time. Stay tuned for our next lesson, and as always, keep exploring the magic of English language learning.